In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to copy only filtered rows in Google Sheets so you can quickly grab just the data you need. First, open your Google Sheet and make sure your data has headers at the top. Then, go to the top menu, click on Data and turn on the filter option. You'll see small filter icons appear in your header row. Now, click on the filter icon in the column you want to filter. From the drop down, select only the values you want to keep and uncheck the rest. This will hide unwanted rows and show only the filtered ones. Once your filtered rows are visible, click and drag to select the data. Make sure you select the full range, not just one column. Now simply copy the selection using Ctrl+C or by right-clicking and choosing Copy. Next, go to where you want to paste the data, click on the starting cell and paste it using Ctrl+V. You'll notice that only the visible filtered rows are copied, without any of the hidden data. And that's it. With filtering and copying together, you can quickly extract exactly what you need from any large dataset. If this helped you, give it a like, drop a comment, and subscribe for more quick and practical tutorials.